Aloha everybody, welcome back to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we are taking a look at an interesting tree and fruit called starfruit. Going to go into the taste, health benefits, also a caveat to that, and how to eat it. So starfruit, or carambola, is a star-shaped tropical fruit known for its sweet, tart flavor and crunchy texture. It's a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and other antioxidants and minerals. The fruit is native to Southeast Asia and has a high water content. The exact country of origin is believed to be either Sri Lanka, Indonesia, or Malaysia. They're cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world nowadays, including here in Hawaii and down in Florida in the US. The trees typically reach a height of 20 to 30 feet, and they have a rounded, bushy canopy. They produce delicate lilac pink flowers, and the fruit is oblong in shape with 5 to 6 ridges and is about 2 to 6 inches long. When you slice it crosswise, that's when it reveals the signature star shape from which it gets its name. It also aids in digestion and supporting heart health. It can be eaten whole, sliced into salads, or as a garnish, juiced, and sometimes added to smoothies. The taste ranges from sweet to tart, sometimes described as a mix of apple, grape, and citrus. Its texture is crisp and juicy. They're full of water, and that makes them extremely refreshing to eat. They can help support a healthy immune system, and the high water content makes it extremely hydrating. They're also low in calories. How to eat it? You can eat it fresh. Just wash the fruit and eat it as a snack. The entire fruit is edible, including the skin. You can also slice it into little stars to garnish fruit salads or even desserts or drinks. And you can process the fruit to make them into juices, jams, or pickles. However, there is one important health consideration. If you have kidney problems, starfruit contains a neurotoxin that can be dangerous for kidney function. So it's essential to consult a doctor before eating these if you do have kidney issues. But that is the gist of it with starfruit. Really nice, pretty fruit, very refreshing snack. Check out our videos on soursop, jaboti kaba, and other interesting tropical fruits. And we will see you next time on Eat and Be Eaten. Aloha.